Rani. I'm here because I want to give presentation. The title is Sentence and Text with Material, Question and Answer, Leaving out and Replacing Word, Information and Emphasis, and the last Spoken English and Written English. The first material is Question and Answer. Auxiliary question tip, which is quite easy because you only need to answer yes or no. These questions are also no as yes or no question. Example, have you written a letter? Yes, I have. Or no, I have not. W with question. A question word can be subject, object, complement, or adverbial. Who can be subject or object? Example, who told you is subject, or who did you tell is object. A question word can also be determiner. Example, what or which day are they coming? We can use who, it is, on, or before an adjective or adverb. Example, how did you find out, or how far is it to Newcastle? We can modify a question word. Example, why exactly do you need this information? Answering question. Some question you can answer in a word phrase, but other need to be answered in one or more complete sentence. Example, how long do you practice about health and how isn't riding? Yes, it is, or no, it isn't. Negative question. Example, cannot you ring me? Question with or. Example, were you running or jogging? Question tag. Example, we can go. No, cannot we? Leaving out and replacing word. Leaving out word after the auxiliary. The first sentence can end with auxiliary. Example, can you get Saturn TV? We can. The second, usually everything after the auxiliary is left out. Example, you could have hurt yourself. Yes, I could have. Leaving out word at the beginning of a sentence. Example, everything alright is everything. Cup of tea is what I need. A cup of tea. Careful, be careful. Pattern with sonata attack. The positive pattern is subject plus auxiliary plus to. You are catching, you are to. In simple tenses, use the auxiliary verb to. I like chocolate, I do too. Do so, do it, and do that. I wanted to jump, but I just could not do it. So in short answer, you have made a mistake here. Oh, so I have thank you. Some other way of avoiding repetition is go one pocket. No, it is go two looks. Special style handle with care. A parcel. The next material is information and emphasis. Word order and information. One, information in a statement. Example, in a coffee. This coffee tastes colorful. Information in a text. Example, previously tones had grown naturally. So the subject often makes a link with the previous sentence. Example, the man is in prison. He stole some jewelry. The subject can be expressed in time and place. Example, they are building a new theme park. It will attract lots of visitors. Sometimes we can use an abstract noun to refer back to the idea in the previous sentence. Example, the people here have nothing. Their poverty is extreme. Front possession and adverbal in front possession. Example, on the day after that, she was in the content at the usual time. Overview, inversion, subject, verb, inversion. Example, here, her is the news. Subject, auxiliary, inversion. Example, what did the man want? The empathy, subject, there and it. There plus be is more details. Example, there are some leather for you. So, there plus be with relative clause. Example, there was a noise that wake me up. There with other verb. Example, there no follow a party political broadcast. There or it. Example, there's a wind today. A wind is blowing. It was Saturday. The day was Saturday. Next material, emphasis. The first, emphatic stress. Example, I saw a ghost. The second, emphatic verb. Example, I did see a ghost. 3. It. Example, it was a ghost that I saw. 4. Emphatic pronouns. Example, I saw it myself. 5. Adverb of degree. Example, I really saw it. The last material, spoken English and written English. A speaker normally uses more words than a reader. The second, there are number of words and phrases used only or mainly in spoken English. 3. There are some fake expressions more typical of speech than reading. 4. The speaker sometimes stop to correcting. In spoken English and written English there is stress. Stress in speech, some words have greater stress than others. They are spoken with greater force. Example, I will see you next week. So there is intonation. Syllables with a vowel or rise. Example, have we got time? Intonation in statement and question. Example, when will I see you? So raising intonation in statement. Example, hopefully I will be here next week. So there is strong and weak form. That in speech many have both strong and weak form. These are the main weak form. So full form and short form. Full form it is easy to control. Short form it is easy to control. Punctuation the sentence full stop. Example, we have got the best bargains. Question mark. Example, have you booked the holiday? Exclamation. Example, what a bargain. Punctuation between main clause. Full stop between separate sentence. Example, she's baker work play and acted on the stop. Okay, summary of this material is the first yes or no question. Itu sama dengan auxiliary. Nah, yes or no question itu merupakan salah satu jenis pertanyaan dalam bahasa Inggris yang jawabannya terdiri dari dua pilihan seperti yes atau no gitu aja. Terus yang rumusnya yes or no itu ada verb plus subject. Biasanya verb di awal yes or no question ini adalah auxiliary verb and modal verb. Jadi auxiliary verb itu meliputi is, am, are, was, were, does, do, did, has, have, and had. Sedangkan modal verb itu ada can, will, might, should, would, might, should, dan lain-lain. Nah, contoh dari yes or no question atau auxiliary itu ada have you written a letter? Jadi jawabannya cuma dua pilihan, yes I have or no I have not gitu. Terus yang kedua question tag. Nah, question tag itu pertanyaan yang diletakkan di akhir kalimat. Question tag ini berupa pernyataan statement yang diikuti oleh pertanyaan. Misalnya, Devi doesn't like coffee. Itu negative statement. Devi tidak suka kopi kan gitu. Terus ada I cannot drive. Nah, itu negatif juga, ya kan? Terus yang kalau positifnya kayak can I, so let's see gitu. Terus ada WH question. Itu seperti yang sering kita dengar 5W 1H, tetapi dalam bahasa Inggris ini ada 8W 1H kayak seperti what, where, why, when, which, who, whose, and whom. Dan yang satu hanya itu who. Nah, contoh dari what is your name? Nah, gitu kan. Terus kalau contoh dari which itu menanyakan pilihan seperti which one do you like? The green one or the black one? Kayak gitu. Terus kalau yang whose itu menanyakan kepemilikan benda seperti contohnya whose bag is this? Milik siapa tas ini gitu. Nah, kalau yang when, where itu udah tahu ya, yang pakai seperti where do you come from, how are you,